It's that time of year again, Jack. You forgot last year, didn't you? It's the time of year when the cottonwood seeds float over from the swamp over there. And they float over here through the air like sun-proof snowflakes. The camera can't pick them up from this depth, but my cat can. My cat sees all these things floating in the air and wonders what's going on. What you looking at, Jack? You see anything? You see anything real good? Besides all those cottonwood seeds, sort of like spider webs in balls. What are we looking at? You're not looking at anything? Something's got your attention. You want me to let another fly in here? That's a lot of fun, isn't it? There's another fly in here. Say hello.